Hey guys, welcome back to 50 Plus Rebirth. And hey guys, yes, I'm back. I'm back in Jamaica. After spending maybe 2.5 years traveling, I went to Panama first, and then we went to Colombia. And I mean, those are only two short stints of a month each. And then we moved over to Mexico, Merida, Mexico to be exact, where I spent almost, a little bit over 2 years, right? So it was I spent 2 years almost to the day because it was like they gave me 6 months, and apparently I did stay there for 18 months. I overstayed, which is another long story. But the thing I'm going to be doing is that on Sunday I'm going live at about so what time when I wake up on Sunday? I'm just trying this out. So I think I'll try for 2 o'clock on Sunday. I'll be going live just to talk a little bit about my experiences of traveling, of selling out everything on my own, and just got the people in foreign country. I'm gonna have no money because everything they done mash up. So I went there with nothing but a job. I did go there with a job though. And then, I mean, maybe if we stay on the live long enough, I can talk about what happened when I lost the job and how I had to survive in Mexico. So, if you want to hear all this story, come join me live Sunday at 2 p.m. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And come over Sunday. Our time it is at 2 o'clock, not 2 o'clock Sunday, for join the live. Alright? Hope to see you there. Bye.